So in my last video, I unboxed these guys, the SoundPEATs Truengine SE wireless earbuds, and I've got to say that I have enjoyed my time with them. So here is my review on these budget earbuds to help you decide whether these are worth buying or not. First of all, the case. This case has a minimal matte design that feels really good to the touch, is small, compact, and has a premium feeling to it. It charges via micro USB. USB-C would have been nice to see, but given the price and the cable that is provided, I don't think that's the end of the world. And the case actually has lights on the front to indicate how much battery life the case has in it, and we'll be talking about battery life in a little bit. There's also a satisfying magnetic latch, which I've found to be actually a little bit difficult to open, but nonetheless satisfying and obviously protective of the earbuds. Something that annoys me is that opening this with one hand is virtually impossible. I've found it pretty much impossible to open this with one hand unless you're gonna do it backwards and then pull it out. It's not intuitive. You have to use two hands, which is a little bit annoying. And finally, there are obviously magnetic charging pins on the inside to charge the earbuds, and they're strong enough to hold the earbuds in, but as soon as you want to take them out, they are easy to do so. And now the earbuds themselves. As you can see, they are actually ergonomically designed. They have a single button on each side and a clean, simple design showcasing the drivers on the inside. You can see them right here. The drivers are just popping out of the earbud themselves, and I think this looks really cool and even a little bit futuristic. Now, this may be just my ears, but I have found myself readjusting the fits due to slightly uncomfortable amount of pressure. Like if you put it in, I've just found that on the side where the dual drivers are can be a little bit uncomfortable for prolonged amounts of time. They are also a little bit chunkier than I anticipated. Looking at the pictures on Amazon and just the different pictures of this product, I expected it to be a little bit more minimal in the ear, but as you can see, they do stick out quite a bit, and that's just something that you're gonna have to deal with. As you can see, it also comes with rubber tips so that you're getting a really good seal and fit, and it also stays in your ear really nice. So while I'm talking about the connection, I'm just gonna run through on the screen how to actually connect these to whatever device you wanna use. And with these earbuds, you're gonna get a reliable Bluetooth 5.0 that holds a really strong connection and that can even reach a maximum length of around 33 feet. Now for me, what I do a lot is I switch between connecting this to my phone and connecting this to my laptop, and I found that connecting it to multiple devices is actually really annoying because you have to connect from the previous device and it just does not feel as seamless as, for example, the AirPods, which you can quickly switch between devices. Again, I'm not trying to compare them to AirPods, but the connection between different devices like your phone or your laptop for me just was not as seamless. Occasionally, the left mono mode would give some trouble to work or would have some trouble connecting, but in the end, you're getting a really strong connection out of both earbuds, whether you use one of them or you use both of them. Now, in terms of the battery life, you're getting a practically endless battery. We're talking 6 hours on a full charge on each of these little guys, and with the case, you're gonna be able to get around 27 hours total, which is a really long time. Now, let's talk about some of the features. So this earbud is actually IPX5 rated, meaning that it's gonna have some water resistance. So if you're going to be working out, for example, you can definitely do that because it does have that certification. And speaking of working out, again, the rubber tips just really makes it a solid fit inside of your ear. And I've been using this to work out and it's been completely fine. Like I've mentioned before, you get 6 rubber tips that are included to both help with fit and the seal so that you can hear your music better. And having that better seal makes the already great sound quality even better. You also have a plethora of button controls on these guys. For example, you've got assistance, volume, skipping tracks, pausing. There really is no shortage of controls that you can do with these. You might have to spend a little bit of time learning them, but I found them really intuitive and you just get a lot of controls, which I really like. Alright, and what you guys are hearing now is the SoundPEATs Truengine SE, the built-in microphone. Test, 1, 2, 3. Let me know in the comments how this sounds, whether it's decent or if it's trash. Now, something that was pretty odd to me was that one day I was using these and I was getting a phone call and the phone would actually default to my phone instead of the earbuds. I don't know why, because you can definitely make calls on these, but I'm just saying that from my experience, sometimes when I was getting a phone call, it would actually automatically go to my phone and not the earbuds. So maybe that's something that they need to check out. But all in all, you're getting a great set of features with these earbuds. Now, audio quality. Probably the biggest pro of these earbuds. You've got dual drivers in here which produce some serious bass and really good sound quality. When I say really good bass, what I mean is that you can really feel the thump when you're listening to certain kinds of music. Obviously, it's not going to be as much as over-ear headphones, but given the price and the size of these, it's pretty amazing. I have found that these earbuds can get really loud without losing any clarity, and honestly, if you aren't too picky about sound, you are not going to be disappointed by these guys. Another quick pro about these earbuds is that if you're somebody who likes to watch videos, there is no sound delay, so you can definitely do that. And now with the price, these can be bought on Amazon for $51 American or around $63 Canadian. And in my opinion, I think that they are completely worth it, especially if you're somebody that really likes music, and especially when compared to different earbuds that give similar sound quality. So to put a bow on all of this, for around a quarter of the price of AirPods, these earbuds will definitely get the job done. There are definitely a few minor inconveniences such as multi-device connection and the case itself, but I think that those are just minor inconveniences that you could definitely get over. Once again, I think buying these earbuds are worth it, especially for those dual drivers and if you like listening to a lot of music. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to compare these to the SoundPEATs True Free earbuds, which do happen to be cheaper. As for me, I think that you guys will get a lot of value out of these earbuds. And just like the SoundPEATs Truengine SEs could provide you a lot of value, if this video has provided you any value, it would really help my channel if you left a like and even subscribed if you want more videos just like this one. More videos are on the way, so hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss them. I'm Matt, and thanks for watching.